Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. An English garden is traditionally known for its lush, overflowing borders, romantic winding paths, and a blend of formal structures with wild, natural planting. However, the low-maintenance version of this classic style focuses on achieving that same timeless aesthetic using plants and materials that require minimal intervention. It means moving away from high-maintenance lawns and finicky exotic flowers in favor of hardy perennials, native species, and smart landscaping choices like mulched beds and permanent hardscaping. In essence, it is the art of creating a space that looks intentionally abundant and perfectly imperfect, without demanding hours of pruning, weeding, or watering every single week. The primary benefit of a low-maintenance English garden is the gift of time. Instead of spending every weekend tethered to a lawnmower or shears, you can actually sit back and enjoy the beauty of your surroundings. Beyond the personal convenience, these gardens are often much more environmentally friendly. By using hardy, drought-tolerant plants and reducing the size of traditional lawns, you conserve water and provide a consistent habitat for local pollinators like bees and butterflies. Additionally, because the style embraces a more natural, layered look, small imperfections are easily hidden, reducing the stress of achieving manicured perfection. It offers a peaceful, scenic retreat that enhances your property value while lowering your overall gardening expenses. To decorate your garden for maximum beauty with minimum effort, focus on creating strong bones for the space. Start by incorporating hardscaping elements such as stone paths, gravel walkways, or weathered timber decking. These provide structure and reduce the area where weeds can grow. Use large decorative pots and planters to add pops of color without needing to dig new beds. Adding classic English garden ornaments like a stone bird bath, a rustic wooden bench, or a simple wrought iron archway can immediately elevate the theme. Layering is also key. Use taller shrubs at the back and shorter ground covers at the front to create depth. By using mulch generously around your plants, you not only suppress weeds but also create a clean, finished look that ties the various elements of the garden together seamlessly. Choosing the right plants is the most critical step in reducing your workload. Opt for hardy perennials that return year after year, such as lavender, which offers fragrance and structural beauty with very little water. Geraniums or cranesbill are excellent ground covers that choke out weeds while providing a carpet of flowers. For height and that classic cottage feel, consider drought-resistant varieties like nepeta or catmint or perennial salvia, both of which are tough and rarely bothered by pests. Shrubs like hydrangeas or boxwoods provide year-round greenery and require only an occasional trim. Integrating ornamental grasses can also add movement and texture, staying beautiful even through the winter months without needing constant attention. Now let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of the top 10 best low-maintenance English garden ideas to spark your creativity. One, the classic brick front entryway. This design features a stunning red brick home complemented by a multi-layered garden bed. The use of varied heights, including conical evergreens and lush ferns, creates a full look that covers the soil completely, preventing weed growth while framing the stone steps beautifully. 2. The secluded wicker retreat. A perfect example of functional hardscaping. This patio uses large stone pavers to minimize weeding. Surrounded by manicured hedges and vibrant potted hydrangeas, the dark wicker furniture set provides a comfortable spot to enjoy the garden with zero grass cutting required. 3. Modern slat fence decking. This idea utilizes clean, horizontal wooden slat fencing to create privacy and a contemporary English feel. The integrated wooden bench and wide plank decking reduce planting space, while the remaining garden beds are filled with hardy ornamental grasses and white flowering perennials. 4. The Enchanted Garden Path. A winding stone stepping stone path leads the eye through a dense, colorful landscape. This design uses close planting techniques where flowers like irises and lupins grow tightly together, naturally suppressing weeds and creating a spectacular, high-impact visual with minimal soil exposure. 5. Layered perennial borders. This home exterior is enhanced by a sea of purple lavender and pink wildflowers. By grouping plants with similar water needs and using mounded perennials, the garden achieves a wild, romantic look that requires very little pruning to stay looking this lush and inviting. 6. The formal grass walkway. A perfectly straight grass path is bordered by tall, dense hedges that act as living walls. This design is excellent for larger properties, providing a grand, stately feel. The green-on-green palette is timeless and far easier to maintain than complex, multicolored floral displays. 7. The English cottage facade. This charming stone cottage is adorned with climbing roses and a variety of daisies and wildflowers. The organized chaos of this planting style is the hallmark of a low-maintenance English garden, where the plants are allowed to spill over onto the lawn, hiding edges and reducing the need for precise trimming. 8. Lavender fields and stone patios. Mass planting lavender around a stone dining area is a brilliant low-maintenance move. Lavender is drought-tolerant and evergreen in many climates, providing a consistent border that smells amazing and looks professional year-round with almost no effort. 9. The sunken garden room. This modern take on the English garden features a sleek garden shed or summer house, looking out over a gravel-filled courtyard. The use of gravel instead of grass is a game-changer for maintenance, while corten steel water features and potted shrubs add architectural interest. 10. The Grand Estate Vista. This expansive garden uses sweeping lawns and massive flower borders to frame a distant castle view. For a home version, focus on the river of pink and blue flowers. Mass planting just 2 or 3 hardy species in large groups creates a high-end look that is much simpler to manage than 100 different varieties. Creating a low-maintenance English garden is all about working with nature rather than against it. By selecting the right hardy plants, investing in quality hardscaping, and embracing a more naturalistic planting style, you can have the garden of your dreams without the nightmare of endless chores. Your outdoor space should be a place of restoration and beauty, a private sanctuary where you can reconnect with the outdoors on your own terms. If you found these garden ideas helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration. We want to hear from you. Which of these 10 ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update on how to transform your home and garden into a stunning masterpiece.